At Transblue, we pride ourselves on completing projects comprehensively. We remodeled the Seattle Seahawks' old training facility locker room and offices located at Northwest University. The Seattle Seahawks used the facility from 1986 to 2008. As part of the complete renovation of the Seattle Seahawks' old locker room, we removed the enormous jacuzzi and plunge pool used by Seahawk greats like Steve Largent, Cortez Kennedy, and Warren Moon, to name a few. Transblue transformed the area into a creative space that better suited the needs of the college. All of this was done to create a new lab and a more functional area for the IT department. The university was thrilled with the results, and now the students and faculty have a space to learn, to teach, and to create. Improve and transform your community with Transblue. Get a free estimate for all your project needs by contacting us today.